What's up, guys? AB Trades here with a breakdown. I know it's been a while, so I've been in the process of moving since last month. So I finally have everything done. You know what I'm saying? So super excited, super anxious to get back to YouTube, get back to vlogging. If you guys look here, I will be vlogging from now on heavily. So I got the whole vlogging setup done. There's a mic on top. Got the whole vlogging shabam ready. So super excited to finally start vlogging, finally start, just making content for you guys, just literally educational content. I don't want to focus so much on the lifestyle type of things. Like, I will do those as well, but at the end of the day, like, nobody gains anything from that other than just entertainment. So I want people to gain actual knowledge and actually learn things, you know what I'm saying? So without further to do, let's get down to this breakdown. So, I want to break down a few different pairs here, right? So we have US 30 here, right? So looking at US 30, right? Let's start on this weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, we were, as you guys see here, bullish, for the most part, but then boop, break of structure here. So if we were going to continue, we would not have broken the structure. We would have, continue going higher from there. So I do want to see, sales kind of play out on this, particular pair. So let's just set up some points here, some spots, right? Horizontal ray. All right. So we got here an area coming in around here, which I see that we have used prior. We've used it, around here, used it here, used it around here, used it as resistance here, using it as support here, and now we're kind of breaking below it. So that area to me is fairly important. That's that 33,100, call it 33,200 area, right? So that area to me is fairly important, just as you guys see. All right, where else? What other areas do we have here? We have as well this area, which we used as resistance here, and then we used it as a lot of support here. And as you guys see, price has wicked that area a few different times. So this is the weekly time frame, right? So let's just set that up, just weekly. Okay, and let's just put this as weekly as well, just so you guys understand where we are. Okay, weekly, cool. Let's put this here. All right, let's put this here as well. All right, cool. So these are just some weekly zones, right? Let's look back around over here as well. So as you guys see, this area has been wicked out a lot. So boom, right there. So you guys see, we kind of wicks, a lot of wicks here, more wicks, and now price is above this. This is that 32,800 area. So definitely an area to keep in mind. Where else? We definitely see this area down here. Definitely see you down here, right? So if price was to break that below this area, obviously this will be my next area, to target. So let's just mark that up for you guys as well. So let's put here W, right? Put it here just so it's all nice and organized. Let's put it here as well. W, that was definitely not where I wanted it to be. All right, cool. Now let's go into this daily time frame, right? So looking at this daily time frame here, you guys can actually see the bearish structure even more, right? So here you guys can see, let's get this right here. Here you guys can see price had created, kind of like an M formation here, where price has this double top over here. Once this neckline got broken, price just literally tanked from there, right? So that's telling me, okay, area that we need to keep in mind, but we're a little far away from that area, so we're kind of good. We have this area over here as well, right? Okay. Interesting. Cool. All right, not much to see on this daily. Let's just figure this as daily D as well, right? So this will be a daily zone over here. Now let's go into this 4 hour. So you guys can see I'm mainly leaning bearish on US 30. Yes, you always want to be open-minded to both sides, both bullish or bearish, but based on your simple market structure, everything is looking bearish. The only way, right? The only way I'll potentially see buys on this pair is if price starts to break structure. So if we break above here, so if price somehow comes up here and goes like this, then yes, above this area, I will definitely be bullish. Above that 34,000, yes. But anywhere below that 34,000 area, I am bearish, because price could even do literally something like this. Price could literally come up to here somewhere, right? And boom, melt from here, right? Which still, this area will be technically a new lower high as well. So just because price pushes up, anywhere around here doesn't make it fully bullish. So for me, structure is bearish. I am bearish on this pair, right? US 30. This is the pair that we're, breaking down right now. I am bearish for the week. So I'm not going to tell you guys exactly right now, like, oh, take a sell here, take a sell there, because again, it's currently Sunday 22nd. So Sunday 22nd, it's 6:54 p.m. So market literally just opened like an hour ago. So a lot could happen. I don't trade until tomorrow, New York session. So a lot could happen, so I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys, oh, exactly this, the third. No, we don't know what's gonna happen yet. We don't know if price is gonna retrace a little deeper or if it's gonna continue just melting. You just gotta let the market play it out until tomorrow, New York session. Then we come back to it and then we see where price is at. So, but as of right now, I'm already knowing, okay, going into tomorrow's session, I am bearish on US 30. So keep that in mind. Okay, that's US 30. Let's do one more for you guys. Let's do, what pair should we do? What other pair that you guys like? GBP JPY. I know a lot of people like that one. All right, let's do some GJ, right? Remove all of these. Let's do a regular Forex pair. So that was our indice, right? Let's do a regular Forex pair, right? This thing looks insane. I'll just stay away. It's like, no. All right, so looking at this weekly, super bullish I see over here. But since when? Okay, looking left. All right, looking left. We have an area here. We also have an area here. And we also have these highs there. And we also have this area down there. And you also have pretty much this area here. But you guys see price kind of whipped it. And then price over here created the double bottom here and then shot up. Okay, then we have, well, the area we have after that, kind of like here. Okay, which price extended to it as well. And then ultimately we have, this zone right here. Right, all right, cool. So this is just looking at it on a weekly time frame, right? Let's go down on a daily. Let's go down on a daily. What can we expect here? Now this is very choppy actually. I have not looked at GJ in forever. I've only been strictly trading US 30. So to me, GJ has literally been out the picture for months. This is my, one of my first times actually analyzing it with you guys on here in a long time, really probably like half a year. So bear with me, right? Have not seen this pair in quite some time. So just looking at this pair structure, even though we had that crazy push to the upside, it's not looking quite bullish to me. It's not looking like quite anything, honestly. I would say, let me see, we have on this daily time frame, we have this area right here, so you guys see. You always want to pick areas, where price has reacted to them. You see, price reacted throughout this whole entire area as resistance, then support here, then once it broke through it, resistance again. So that to me is like, okay. So I'll say I'm bearish on this pair, honestly. I'll be honest, due to the fact that, it kind of looks like a head and shoulders type setup. So you got your left shoulder here, you got your head over here, and then you got your right shoulder over here. So it's kind of giving me that head and shoulders type vibe. So I am leaning, bearish on this pair. Even if this pair was to come back up here, definitely could see it, just going even deeper lower. The only way that I'll switch to a bullish buys in this particular pair will be if price breaks above this resistance and then continues going higher. Then yes, if it breaks above and retested this area instead of resistance as a support, then yes, I will be, bullish on this setup. But as of right now, it's looking like a head and shoulders to me. So I'm mainly leaning towards this bearish setup, right? So that's just my analysis on GJ. Let's do one more for you guys. What should be the third one? So we've done US 30, GJ. Let's do, I know a lot of people trade gold. So let's do the gold talk, right? Let's go over here. See what we got going on, right? So gold. All right. What we got going on here, gold. Now this weekly looks insane. Okay. All right, so looking at this weekly, you have this area down here. Off rip, I saw that. Then you have this next area where price kind of touched the most there. Got that area there. Then you have definitely this area up here. But then you also have kind of more or less around this area where it currently is actually. See, price rejected it here, then rejected it here as a resistance, rejected it here. Now price is currently retesting it here, right? So let's go on this daily now. Daily time frame. So looking at this daily time frame, actually quite interesting. So you have 3 rejections back to back. Actually, like if I put a line here, this whole entire area basically has been getting rejected. So I definitely will say if price rejects that zone, I definitely, you know, would like to see price reject it, retest it, and then definitely will be bearish. But as of right now, it looks like price wants to break above, especially due to the fact of all these, you know, bullish momentum on a daily time frame. And look at the weekly. Look at last week's weekly. Definitely a nice bullish and, you know, bullish candle basically. So I'm definitely more on the bullish side than the bearish side on this scenario. So definitely would love to see for price to really settle above this 1977 area. So if price goes to, let's say, 1990 and above, definitely would like to see buys, you know, from that zone, definitely targeting this next area of 2036, which is not bad for the entire week. Price definitely could reach that zone up there. So I'm definitely leaning more on the bullish side on gold, just for the simple fact that, you know, price is at this area. Previous week was super bullish, but then again, it has rejected that same zone 3 times. So you do have that possibility of price, you know, rejecting this zone again, and then, you know, coming from here on down, you know, that would be, you know, a bearish case. So yeah, guys, that's my outlook on 3 different pairs. You know, I hope you guys trade any of those 3 so you guys could, you know, definitely have at least, you know, a second opinion on what you guys already believe will happen in the markets. Again, you never want to predict the market. You just want to react to whatever it's doing. So I hope this was very helpful. I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to see more breakdowns, more vlogs, please drop comments in the comment section below. It will help me a lot to at least understand what you guys want to see, what you guys, you know, more or less what you guys liking or not liking. So definitely will be vlogging a lot, so stay tuned for that. And now that I have my at-home setup, I definitely will show it to you guys on the vlog, because I haven't done a new apartment tour either. So I'll probably do that next, and then that way give you guys an office outlook, so that way you guys can see my setup. Super dope, super chilling, super happy with it, and definitely super excited to record a lot of content. So if you guys want to stay more up to date with, you know, more on, you know, on the personal side of things, you can follow me on IG. Or if you guys want, you know, more in the educational side, you can also join the free Telegram, which the link will be down below. So love you guys all. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Hope you guys have enjoyed your weekend, and I hope you guys have a great trading week. Definitely will see me more often this week. So peace. Love you guys. I'm out.